शिकता शिकता शोधले कलांचे काही गुपित, मनाच्या आवाजाला दिलं एक सुंदर आरंभगीत. पुस्तकाच्या पल्ल्यात असते काही वेगळी वाट, जिथे स्वप्न बोलतात आणि कलेला मिळतो हात. ही गोष्ट आहे धाडसाची, जिद्दीची आणि थोड्या वेळाची. यशोगाथा ही स्वप्नांना सत्यात उतरवू पाहणारी वाट प्रकाशाची. BMS presents यशोगाथा.
Welcome to Shades of Innovation Season 6. Today we bring to you a story of power, passion and purpose. Ria is an MMA fighter and a taekwondo coach who trains young champions and builds confidence with every kick. So let's dive into her world of discipline and fearless growth. So let's welcome Ria. Hi Ria.
Hi.
We are so happy to have you here with us. And how are you, buddy?
I'm very good.
Okay, so we know that you train young kids and teens. How do you build confidence in them along with their skills?
Yes, as you know, teaching kids isn't easy. Yes, you have to build confidence in them. You have to, they sometimes don't push themselves.
Yeah.
You have to make it work more and do something more and push themselves. So it is very important to handle it with care. Yes.
Must be a tough job. And so we know that you're a woman in martial arts.
Huh.
What are the stereotypes or the challenges that you had to face through or to fight with?
As a woman, I don't think so I have faced any challenges as my family supports me. Yes, any stereotypes, relatives, they do. They all, most of them, we all know that relatives do. But as in my family, I haven't faced any stereotypes till now.
I think it's the
They
most
support me.
perfect thing to have a supportive family.
Yes.
And we all know it's relatives ka kaam hai to just pinpoint everything.
Yes.
And so we know martial arts is a both physical and a mental challenge. How do you fight through it, and what has it taught you about discipline and just showing up every day?
Discipline is about waking up early, coming to train in the early morning and showing up, and it's very important. And physically, you can see the scar on my face. 1 hour back I got this and I have to get stitches as well. So it is very tiring as well. Sometimes it gets tiring, but you have to, if you are doing something, you have to give you 100%, and if you want to do it, you have to do it like this.
No matter what comes,
No
you
matter what
just
comes, you
face
have
through
to-
it.
yes.
I think this is a great example of just showing up every day, no matter what happens. So let's move on to the next segment of the show. It's called Kick or Flick. I will read out a habit or a statement. If you approve of it, it's a kick. If you don't, it's a flick. Okay? People who show up late and say traffic. Even I do that. Kids showing random ninja moves after class. Sparring with someone who talks too much.
I also talk too much, so it's a kick.
A student learning a move from YouTube and showing it to you proudly.
That's a good thing. I think.
I think
so.
it's a
So,
kick.
huh.
That's a very cute thing. Energy drinks before bed. Parents cheering too loudly on the side. Okay, that was it for Kick and Flick. So moving on to the final segment of the show, it's called Rapid Fire. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Power kick or perfect form?
Perfect form.
Coaching kids or coaching teens?
Coaching teens.
Oh, favorite striking move?
Turning back kick.
Oh, we have to see that. We have to see that. The one song that boosts your fighting energy.
I don't listen to songs while.
Oh, I think this is the first time I'm hearing that. One word your students use to describe you. Perfect.
No.
Strict.
Kind of sweet.
Sweet. Okay, that's all we want from a teacher, right? Okay. And that was it for Rapid Fire. Okay, and with that, we are at the end of our video. Thank you, Ria, for spending time with us. I think we can say ISC is not just a training place, it's where people find courage and confidence. And we wish you and your warriors nothing but victories ahead. Congratulations.
Thank you. Yes, I enjoyed it a lot. It was my first interview.
And we are very glad that we could be the first ones interviewing you. And I'm sure in the future we'll see many more interviews ahead.
So sure, it was so fun and nice meeting you all.
And we are very happy to meet you too. And with that, I think we can say like, share and subscribe subscribe to Shades of Innovations. Bye.